In this video, we will be covering product maintenance. To get started, click on Master Data from the header. Under the Sales and Purchase category, you'll find options related to products and product categories. Before we add products, let's take a closer look at product posting. This function helps manage how your products are posted to accounts, allowing you to separate sales and purchase entries by product. By default, AutoCount creates a general product posting for your company. But let's walk through creating custom posting for better control. First, open the chart of account and create 2 new normal accounts under the sales parent category. By adding these accounts, it will then be used to track specific product sales. In this example, apparel and alteration services. Next, go back to Master Data and select Product Posting, and click on Plus New to create a new posting. Let's name the first posting as Apparel, with the description, Shirt and Pants. Assign Sales, Apparel under the Sales Account section and continue assigning the remaining accounts as needed. Now, let's create another posting, this time for alteration sales using the same steps. With the product posting set, it's time to create product categories. In Master Data section, click on Product Category, then click Plus New. Enter your category name and click Save. Now let's add a product into the system. Go back to Master Data, and under Sales and Purchase, select Product. Click Plus New to open the product entry form. Add further information on your products under the Basic tab, including code, type, name, cost, price, and any other relevant fields. If your product has multiple variants such as sizes or colors, use the Product Variants tab to add them. You can also upload a product image for easy identification. Since AutoCount integrates with the e-invoicing platform, you can assign the product classification code and unit type during product setup. This feature ensures compliance with the national invoicing standards. Let's continue adding the other products. Once saved, all added products will be displayed in the product table, along with their current status. And that's how you maintain products, categories, and postings in AutoCount Cloud Accounting.